recently in Sholi constituency for Shripad Naik, and I really thank all my ward members, all my supporters, all my karyakartas and all my voters for coming out in large numbers and voting for Shripad Naik.
तुम्ही पार्टी स्विच करून आले पण डिफिकल्ट झाले
काय जाऊ ना डिफिकल्ट आय मीन वी वर्कड हार्ड फॉर इट
सो आता बीजेपीच्या काय लोकांनी बीन श्रीपाद वेळी काम केलं असं एक बोवाळ चलता
ते आम्ही आमच्या सीएमाक प्रेसिडेंटाक सांगतली
खरें केला अशें
इट लुक्स लायक
म्हणून लीड इतली कमी
म्हणून लीड कमी झाल्या अदरवाइज इट वूड हॅव बीन टचिंग 5,000 माय से
इवन आरजी इज डुईंग वेल ते रिझन कितें तुमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी
3,000.
During my election also he had RG had got around 3,000.
सो
त्याने मेंटेन केलं
बीजेपीची काय मतं स्विच काँग्रेसीत झाली म्हणता तुम्ही काँग्रेस कॅन्डिडेट
It looks like no. Otherwise, BJP votes and my votes, the lead should have been there to 5,000 to 6,000 lead. It has happened. We will inform the CM. I have already informed the BJP president during the before the election. Before the election, I had informed Shripad Naik also, candidate. I had informed the BJP president also. They should put survey, do a survey in actually each and every constituency. I'm telling you, they should do a survey in each and every constituency. Central government should do a survey and find out the facts.
मॅडम आता जर ओव्हरऑल सेंट्रली पळयत जाल्यार ते 400 पार म्हणटाले पळय ते 400 पार दिसना.
That I cannot tell about full of India, but my constituency I will tell.
So talking about your constituency only, मॅडम जी तुम्ही म्हणता की काय बीजेपीचे सिनियर लिडर्सांनी काम करू नका
No comments.
No comment on that.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.